everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my personal skincare recommendations for products to get during the Sephora holiday sale. If you're not familiar, Sephora does do a sale every year around this time, and it's one of the few times that Sephora has a sale, and so I usually try to stock up on some of my favorite skincare products from Sephora. In this video, there are going to be various different price ranges of products. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. This is just my personal opinion on all of these products. Let me go ahead and start by talking about a cleanser that I love from Sephora. This is the Hyper Skin Brightening Gel Cleanser. This product I did review on this channel and I fell in love with it because of the mandelic acid that is in this product. This cleanser does a great job at both brightening your skin and just doing a great job at being a great cleanser overall. It does a great job to remove sunscreen and makeup. I just really love this product. It wasn't stripping whatsoever and the gel texture of it was very impressive. I haven't seen a lot of people talking about this cleanser and I feel like more people should be. Since it's on sale, it's even more worth it in my opinion. The next product that I would recommend from Sephora is the Tower 28 SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. Now, I did try the serum before on this channel, and that was before I realized that this product is in a spray form. The only complaint that I had about that product, which I didn't talk about in my review of it, was the fact that the packaging really didn't do a great job to dispense the product. Now, it was something that I noticed whenever I read my comments and saw people talking about it because I'm gonna be honest, I thought it was just my bottle. Turns out it's just the packaging in general. The spray is so much better. It delivers instant results to the skin and is by far my favorite redness rescue product in general because it does have a very simple ingredient list, but it is very effective. And if you're on the spot and you need a really fast redness corrector, this product is that product. The next product is from a brand that I could actually recommend so many products from, but I just chose my favorite. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Redness Relief Serum. Now, I know that I'm talking a lot about redness in this video, but I mean, honestly, in the winter is when I struggle the most with redness and also just dryness overall. This product does amazing to combat both my redness and my dry skin whenever I have it. It's really great to balance my skin and not be an overly hydrating serum, but also deliver some great benefits to the skin. It has a little bit of a green tint to it, which I love. This product is a little bit more on the pricey side, as are all of Glow Recipe's products. And so I would recommend to stock up on your favorite Glow Recipe products, especially this one, if you do struggle with redness or need some extra hydration to your skin. Another serum that I'd recommend from them is their vitamin C serum. Both of these serums together are really amazing and some of my favorite products that Glow Recipe has put out. The next product really comes as no surprise, and I mean, you really don't need a percentage off of this product, but I mean, why not? This is the Inkyless Succinic Acid Spot Treatment. This product has been my holy grail acne spot treatment for so long because of the affordability of it and also its color corrector and its fast acting ability to correct my zits without causing any sensitivity to the skin. This product is $8, but I mean, why not get an extra percentage off when you can? So many of the Inkyless products could make it in this video, but I'm trying to change it up a little bit. This is one of my favorite products from the Inkyless. I hope they make this forever because I live, breathe, sleep by this. This is my holy grail acne treatment because it has such an amazing value for it, and succinic acid is an ingredient I hope I see more of in this next year. I usually buy these in bulk, I'm not gonna lie, because I go through them so fast, so I will be picking up a couple of these during the sale. I made a list of products that I'm going to talk about. I have 3 moisturizers on here. Not exactly sure why I did that, but I guess it's just because I love 3 different moisturizers from Sephora. Listen, I usually like to buy my moisturizers from Sephora because they have some of my favorite brands. One of them being Youth to the People's Polypeptide Moisturizer. This product, oh my gosh, so much of a transformation inflammation in my skin. My skin was strengthened so much while using it, and I really noticed that it wasn't an overly hydrating product, but my skin really cleared up when it came to the acne I had on it and also the hyperpigmentation and texture. This product was just a really great balancing product for my skin. And I mean, the price point is very high on this product, but when there's a sale going on, that's when I like to stock up on it. It's a little bit more justified when there is a sale going on. I would purchase this product normally, but it is a very expensive product, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't buy expensive skincare when I'm just buying it for myself personally. Another moisturizer that did amazing things for my skin, kind of similar to the last one, was the Ole Henriksen Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. This product I loved the first time I tried it, and I haven't repurchased it since I got it just because of the price point. And even though this does have fragrance in it, it is one of my favorite moisturizers that I have ever used because of the way it made my skin feel, the way it made my skin look. It does have a little bit more of an internalized hydration to it, but I still noticed that so many of my skin concerns were being corrected when I was using this product. It didn't cause any sensitivity on me, but I mean, I have no sensitivity to fragrance. This is a better deal on this product when it is on the sale, and so that is when I think I will be restocking on this product. The final moisturizer is just a holy grail for me. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I actually keep this on hand and I buy it in bulk because not only do I use this on my face whenever I'm extra sensitized, but I use it on my body whenever I feel that I need it. This is the moisturizer for sensitive skin. First Aid Beauty really does amazing. The First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream is good to buy in bulk during the sale because it is cheaper in the long run. I'm more of an instant gratification person, so I used to buy the minis, but now I buy the large sizes of them because I do like to save money, but that big price point is a lot whenever you're first getting it. This is just a great product. It really does great to soothe redness and calm the skin. This is also my favorite winter moisturizer. It just really soothes my skin, and especially since I have combination skin, my dry areas love this product. Now moving on to sunscreen. I don't really like a lot of sunscreens from Sephora. I was scrolling through just to see what I enjoyed out of them, but I really don't enjoy a lot of them, which is sad to say, but Sephora has one of my favorite reapplication sunscreens, and that is the Summer Friday Shade Drops SPF 30. The reason I don't choose this as my base SPF is because it is an SPF 30. I usually try to go for an SPF 50 when I can. The shade drops are so lightweight, and say I'm just spending a day in the house, I would use this product, or say I need to take it on the go and reapply it. This product did amazing as a reapplication. I really enjoyed the feel of this product. It was kind of like a neutral sunscreen where it didn't mattify your skin or it didn't add too much hydration. It was just a perfect balanced sunscreen. It is a little bit more of an expensive sunscreen, but with the sale, it is a little bit more justified. I haven't tried a lot of sunscreens from Sephora, and I really need to do that because I know a lot of people buy their sunscreens there, but I just haven't tried enough to fall in love with any of them really, except for the Summer Fridays one. The final product is a lip hydrating product. Now this comes as no surprise, I'm sure, if you've watched my review on this product. This is the Fenty Skin Cherry Treat Lip Oil. This product has done amazing things for my lips. They have conditioned them and made them to where I don't have to reapply lip products as often as I would if I used another lip balm. This product is a little bit more expensive, but honestly, for the price point, it is really worth it. I enjoyed that this product delivered a great lightweight and long-lasting hydration to the lips. It really did good to hydrate my lips even after it has soaked in, especially during the winter, and when it starts getting colder, my lips get so dry. And also whenever I'm out for a long period of time, my lips get really dry, but when I have this product, it does prevent that from happening, and I'm able just to reapply it so easily, and it has a nice applicator to where you don't use as much of the product. So yeah, these are some of my favorite products from Sephora to recommend to you all for the Sephora sale. There'll be a link in the description to purchase all of these products, and yeah, leave some of your favorite products from Sephora because I love reading all of your comments and seeing different products that you recommend. I know that there are so many great and amazing products that I didn't cover in this video, but these are just some of my favorite ones right now. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. And I will see you all in the next video.